Hey, what's up? Ken from Palm Beach Dyno here. We've got some initial results on the new Street Sleeper kit from Hellion. It's for the Coyote Mustang. We put it on the 2018 Mustang GT with an A10 automatic owned by Mike Cochran, our operations manager. Mike's car is pretty much stock with wheels and tires and axles. It's the base Street Sleeper kit with the upgraded precision turbos, and we ran it at 10 psi on 93 pump gas on the dyno. So let's go ahead and check out that dyno pull right now. We'll go over the numbers. And then we also took it to the track last night and did some initial shakedown passes, and that went very well too. We'll show you that video and the time slip. Alright, here you go. On 93 octane and 10 psi, it made 746 horsepower and 647 foot-pounds of torque. That's actually a little bit more than we were expecting. I was looking at low 700s on this setup. Max boost is 10 psi, but it spools up really nicely. It's making 6 psi by 4,000 RPM, and it's pretty much at full boost, right at 4,500 a little bit before. We also went ahead and took it to the track last night, so let's go ahead and watch that run, and we'll go over the time slip. As you can see in the video, we took off pretty easy, just launched it at idle. We wanted to make sure the transmission was functioning properly, the tune was ready to go. 1060 at 139. Obviously, 1060 is a great time. We think that's awesome. Really, this is more like a 9-second pass with everything optimized. 139 miles an hour on pump gas. And this was really the only clean pass we got all night. We had some other traction issues to deal with. So as you can see from this slip, it's a very promising kit from the power, the time slip. Once we get the 60 foot in line, we're talking low 10s, high 9s on pump gas all day long. And then of course, once we do E85 and turn up the boost, you know, who knows what the possibilities are with this kit. Rob Shoemaker and myself will be flying into Bowling Green next week to help out Hellion with another 18 twin turbo setup that is already running on E85, and we're expecting big things, so stay tuned for that video in a couple weeks.